Hello and welcome back. Forex market video analysis at your service. We gotta talk about the euro dollar today, guys. It's also related to a video we posted yesterday on the dollar Swiss franc. We got a very important piece of information coming in today. It actually came yesterday, where we heard that the Federal Reserve had raised the interest rate quite significantly, and also made a few remarks regarding future hikes. So that's definitely a very strong wind in the US dollar wings, and it's definitely going to support more rise on the US dollar value. In light of that piece of information, and also, of course, the technical situation, we had to drop that USD Swiss franc, right? Because we were talking about a potential downside move. So no longer, we are now bullish on the US dollar. And also, we got a strong sign coming from the euro dollar. Now, I'm talking technically speaking, right? Because we noticed price action was breaking 98.89 a couple of days ago, and we took notice, but it wasn't confirmed. The following day, price action did kind of confirm that breakdown because it was challenging that 98.89 and ended up on the negative note. That definitely we definitely took note of that, right? But yesterday was spectacular because price action was hammering even stronger than it did the day before, and then everything turned around with that Federal Reserve decision, or should I say announcement, right? You can see the announcement and the impact it had on the euro dollar. A swift turnaround ending up on the negative note, and of course the way it sliced 98.89 is gold. So we feel very confident at this point that the direction of the euro dollar is south and is heading towards the next big support level, which was already confirmed by price action not too long ago when it hit that level, 96.44. We're going to play that level as our main target. We do believe price action is probably going to go even far beyond that level, probably going to chase the previous low, 95.35, and potentially can go all the way to 94.25 before it hits another big support level. This is how it looks like from the weekly perspective. Price action is landing, and we decided to place our stop loss level precisely on the psychological level of 1. Now everything remains intact as long as price action remains below 98.89. We'll keep our bearish conviction and we'll keep our bearish position. In fact, we'll probably look to increase the position size, right? Get more aggressive. The more price action keeps leaking downwards, we're gonna keep putting pressure and inflating our position size. That's pretty much it. It's going to be fascinating to keep following up on this one, and that's pretty much what we're going to do. We're going to come back and keep you posted, of course. That's about that. Moving on to the next video. See you there.